Can we use sanitizers? This is a question from Mahabun Hauladar, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Can we use sanitizers in this crisis, which are made up of 63% alcohol? I'm aware that most of the sanitizers contain alcohol. There are very few which don't have alcohol. Can you use it? And alcohol, as Quran says in Surah Ma'idah chapter 5 verse number 90, that you cannot consume alcohol. It's a Satan's handiwork. We agree with it. But this is using for medical purposes. Most of the places when Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 173, in Surah Ma'idah chapter 5 verse number 3, in Surah Anam chapter 6 verse 145, and Surah Nail chapter 16 verse number 115, that if you do it out of compulsion, Allah is Rahman or Rahim. That means if you're doing it for medical purpose. Now when we are using a hand sanitizer to kill the germs, it's for medical purpose, and we know that if it contains alcohol, the chance of it dying is very fast. It is perfectly permitted. If you have a hand sanitizer which doesn't contain alcohol, if it is effective, use it. If not, because you're not drinking alcohol, it is mainly you're killing germs, using the alcohol to kill germs on your hands, on your body. Like when you're taking an injection, the doctor puts spirit on your skin to kill the germs or virus or whatever is there. Similarly, if you use this, it is perfectly fine, but see to it that you don't eat immediately after that. Better than that, that if you're going to eat your food, you can very well wash your hand with a hand wash. And today, many of the hand wash, the antibacterial, they even kill the viruses, and it says keep it on your hand for 10 seconds, 15 seconds. The advice by the WHO is that keep it for 20 seconds. Before you start washing your hand under water, it's 20 seconds. From the time you pour the liquid soap to the time you wash your hand, it is 20 seconds. So it's perfectly fine, but be careful that when you're eating, you wash your hand with soap.